friends, welcome to the Point. So in this session we'll be discussing about the important map location for UPSC civil service examinations. So here we'll be discussing about the Red Sea and its geographical locations. So Red Sea, it is a seawater inlet of the Indian Ocean lying between Africa and Asia. So its connection to the ocean in the south through the Bab el Mandeb Strait and the Gulf of Aden. So to its north, it lies in Sinai Peninsula and the Gulf of Aqaba and the Gulf of Suez. So it is underlain by the Red Sea Rift, which is a part of Great Rift Valley. So this Red Sea, it has a surface area of roughly 4,38,000 square kilometers, and it is about 2,250 kilometers long, and it is and its widest point is 355 kilometer wide. So it has an average depth of 490 meters, that is about 1,608 feet. And in the central Suakin Trough, it reaches its maximum depth of 3,040 meters, which is about 9,970 feet. The Red Sea also has an extensive shallow shelves, which is noted for their marine life and corals. So the sea is the habitat of over 1,000 invertebrate species and 200 types of soft and hard corals. So in the world's northernmost tropical sea, and has been designated as a global 200 ecoregion. So Red Sea has designated as a global 200 ecoregion. So this Red Sea is between arid land and semi-desert. The reef systems are better developed along the Red Sea mainly because of its greater depths and an efficient water circulation pattern. So the Red Sea water mass exchanges its water with the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean via the Gulf of Aden. So these physical factors reduce the effect of high salinity caused by evaporation in the north and relatively hot water in the south. So the climate of Red Sea is the result of two monsoon seasons, that is the northeasterly monsoon and the southwesterly monsoon. So monsoon winds occur because of differential heating between the land and the sea, and the very high surface temperatures and high salinities makes this one of the warmest and saltiest bodies of sea water in the world. So this is all about the Red Sea. See you in the next session. Thank you.